Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Damn, I had a YouTube voice just now. Anyway, it's your boy, Cuts by, see how that sound? Anyway, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Today, as you see, I'm putting my hoodie on. I'm running around today. Cold outside, right? But we have a nice unboxing today of a product that I won't say all of us have been waiting on, but some of us has been waiting on, right? And I ordered. First of all, if you're not subscribed, let me slow down. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment on the videos, share. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down. All right. So as y'all seen, I did the unboxing of the Oster fast feeds. A lot of people been on my ass about that. I did the tea finishers from Oster. And of course, to finish up the lineup, we have the Oster 76ers Cordless, right? So today we're just gonna do an unboxing, a feel for them. And I know people be like, if you never used the original ones, why would you review because this is new. It's different. And that's how you review stuff. You use it to review it. I have used a 76er. I'm not a big user of them. But all in all, right? Before we get into the actual clipper, I ordered from 614 Barber Supply, so I got some extra blades to make sure that I could, really test out this clipper over the next week or so. This clipper actually came in a couple days ago, but I haven't had, this is the week of Valentine's Day, or the week before Valentine's Day. And it's actually been pretty busy in the shop, right? So I haven't had time, I haven't had time to really, I haven't had time to really open up anything, test anything out, see how everything works. But that's why we're here today, all right? So of course, you get the packaging. And I honestly do not remember the price of these clippers. Put the price here. That's how much they was. Ordered from 614 Barber Supply. We'll talk about that, all right? So, of course, you can get the packaging. I don't have to explain the packaging. They chose to go. One thing about this, though, for some reason, maybe I'm just getting used to it since I've seen it, I've talked about it. The packaging with the 76er, for some reason, matches better. Like I have no problem with it on the 76er. I don't know. It's just me. All right. But you get one speed setting, 3-year warranty. It comes with the 3-aught blade, charging stand, power cord, oil. So it's still pretty much the same thing. Of course, this is a detachable clipper. So there's no guards that come with it. So that's why I bought the blades to make sure that I can get some cuts out of it. Don't say how long. Let me see. Got a 120-minute runtime. Brushless motor with geared blade drive. So, yeah. Let's open this up. Of course, pamphlet that I should read. I don't read. I should. Before we actually get to the clipper, we're gonna open up the rest of the box. It opens the same way, so we don't have to go through that. Whoa, all right. Get your charging cord, and you get the stand. I don't have the clipper, the fast feed or the finisher here at the moment to see. I've already ran my course with those. I'm not gonna be using them. So I don't know if it's the same stand or if everything takes the same stand, but it is the same build. And I'm pretty sure it'll fit, I guess. But you see, that's the charging stand. Same build, rubber bottom for, they don't move, which I do like that build. I do have some stands that, I don't know, they just not built correctly. They're not as sturdy as this, as far as stands, right? But who cares about a stand? That's not what you're using, all right? got in here, got the blade oil, clipper grease. And of course, battery pack for the clipper. All right, so let's get the clipper out of the white packaging. That is the clipper without the battery pack, but that is the clipper, power here. Of course, come with the 000 blade. I don't know, man. It's something about this look and this packaging on the 76er that just matches. Like it just goes together. With the fast feeds, I don't know. They just looked outdated. The packaging was wrong. It's just something about this. The color and everything of the 76er, it just matches. All right. Got a nice grip here. You can see the ridges that it got. You're not going to drop that, of course, unless you're clumsy like me. Easy. Put the battery pack in. Once you got the battery pack, now that does add a little weight to it, of course, because it's the battery. All right. It's very light without it. Add it in. My hands are ashy. Please don't judge me. It's cold. I'm ripping and running. All right. So that is the battery pack. I mean, the 76er with the battery pack in it. Of course, you can see the blade that comes on it. 000. It's about to die, but it's not loud at all. I do know the 76ers are a little bit louder clipper. This doesn't seem as bad in the cordless version, all right? But it is dying off. So, you know, we're going to, of course, put some good charge to it. Put some charge to it. Get some good use out of it, maybe a week or so. It's not hard to take the blades off, put back on. So I do like that. There's another detachable clipper. It's a detachable but adjustable clipper that I'll be reviewing here soon. Or by the time this will come out, I've already done it. But it's not as simple it's not tough to get the blades on and off. But of course, you know the 76er. Take it off, leans back, slide on, push right up. It's not bad at all. So that is the unboxing of the cordless, the Oster cordless 76er. We will put this to use, get some good use out of it. The main thing about this, because the 76er was never great with me, in my opinion, it was never great with fading. I won't say it wasn't great. It just wasn't for me with fading. I would rather use a wall senior or something like that for fading. But my main objective with this is to give you guys a good review with this, but to also see how good it is to take down bulk, right? We have a lot of clippers out right now. We have of course, you still got the seniors. You got the JRL 2020C. You got the Rebel, Apex, Low Pro. There's a lot of clippers out there are good with taking down bulk. But these are a lawnmower. They are made to get through that thing. You get what I'm saying? So that's one thing I want to see. How good is this with taking down bulk? All right. So yeah, 76er. Before the video end, I forgot to mention, I will be looking to buy the black and silver colorway of this only for one reason. I will not be buying the black and silver. I won't be buying the black fast feed or the black T finisher. But I do want to buy the black 76er due to the fact that this only has 1 speed, but the black one for some reason has a 3-speed. That's what I've been seeing about it. So I will be trying to get that to see the difference. Hopefully I can have that and use that before I review the 76er. All right, so I can have the difference if there is a big difference, if it got the 3 settings or not. All right, back to the video. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. Next video, I'll make sure I put some lotion on. Subscribe, comment. The giveaway is over by now, and I'm pretty sure. I don't know when I'm gonna drop this. Maybe I'll drop it before, but if it's after the giveaway, congratulations to whoever won. If it's before the giveaway, I'll be doing it Valentine's Day at 1 p.m. So that'll let you know when this video is coming. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. Stay engaged, and I'll be back with another video with lotion on. Peace.